Aye, who's that? It's YeaJord. And welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are reacting to someone who sold their car to Lil Baby. I'm interested to see what car he has, to be honest, because I'm a car nerd. I'm not a petrol head, I'm a car nerd. Like, I love cars, but when it comes to like the Honda Civics that you see my man with a perm and fucking like 13 cans of Monster in his glove box, I'm not into that shit, bro. I'm into the luxury. Anyway, let's hop into the video. He's got a Hellcat. It's a Charger, isn't it? Lil Baby bought that? Like, I'm not being peak, but you know, my man drives McLarens and he's bought this. It's a nice car. Like, I would love to own one of them, but Lil Baby's a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? Unless this is like a rare car that I don't know about. What is that car?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very interesting day, probably a day I'll never forget. Actually gonna tell you guys about a secret I've been, keeping to myself for the past couple weeks, maybe longer than that. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a story saying that I'm selling my car to this celebrity. You guys will find out about him later.
Do you know how rare that is? How rare that is to have the chance to sell your car to a celebrity. That's crazy.
Ever since then, I never talked about it. I never posted it again, and I never said anything just in case it didn't go through. I didn't want to get too hyped up, and the deal never happened. So today, we actually have an enclosed trailer waiting outside. The car is gonna ship. I'm driving out tomorrow to close out the deal, and you guys will see what's gonna happen. We'll start it up. It hasn't been started, probably in 3 days now. I gotta get my stuff out of there.
Ooh, that sounds good. Hold up a minute. That sounds good. Fucking hell. My 1.4 when I set up, it's like it ain't dropped its balls yet. And it never will.
The guy's outside waiting.
Forever a virgin car.
Pull it out the garage. I'm gonna
I'm not. The car is.
Trailer, get myself out of here, and then we'll get it ready to get shipped. So that's the trailer. That's where the car is gonna go into right now. I'm gonna go talk to him. Tell him that I still gotta take my stuff out of her.
Bro, you were supposed to take your stuff out of it 20 minutes ago.
Sorry about the wait, man. It took me a while to get down here.
This sounds nice. Oh, that's a tight squeeze. Oof. What is that? Like a Chrysler Dodge? So it looks like a Chrysler from the back, but a Dodge at the front. Really? Really? How has he got James Harden on the phone as well? What? Who is this guy? Oh my god, I thought he was recording. I thought he was using an Apple Watch band as the handle. It looks like a watch, and he's attached it to his phone. Imagine having James Harden on your phone, just like, yo, what are you saying?
Started the video late, but we're on the way to Georgia to meet with the driver who's transporting the car. We're in Ohio right now, pumping gas, and then we're gonna finish the route.
Georgia to Ohio, that's a long drive, I swear. $139 miles. God damn. There's something else I've just noticed that I've never seen in the UK before. Petrol or gas pumps that you can leave in the car. Everyone I've used in the UK you have to hold. Jarring, bro. Those exhausts are like the size of my leg. How does the audio keep doing that? I'll just reverse it. Is that Lil Baby? I would assume so. No one drives an Aventador just like that. Yeah, there he is. No, that's not him. Who are all these people pulling up in mad whips? Oh, that's a supercharger. Oh. That's crazy. I love that sound. Are we gonna get to see Lil Baby in this video? That's what I'm concerned about. Is he gonna like meet him in person? Or have we been debated? Oh, there he is. There he is, the man himself. And we get hit with an ad. You
Hide an
bitch.
Easter egg for someone you love with the Cadbury Worldwide Hide.
No. Oh, come on, man. Mute that shit. Got some SBs on, I see that. That's crazy. Imagine one day you have a nice car and someone, and like LeBron James is like, yo, I want your car. That'd be mad. Anyway, if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe, share the video. If you want me to react to anything in particular, comment down below, and if it fits on the channel, I'll get that done for you. Been your boy YeaJord. Take care.